Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure your laptop has a stable internet connection and you're signed into the correct account. Once signed in, free up at least 500 megabytes and quit bandwidth-heavy apps so the download won't stall. Now open the App Store. Don't browse, go straight to the Updates or Purchase tab. This gets you directly to apps that need attention, and after you locate them, you're ready to begin installing updates without delay. Once you're on the Updates page, tap Update for each app you want or choose Update All to batch them. You'll see progress bars, watch for stalled downloads, and allow any permission prompts, including password entry or system approval. If an app requires a restart, the store will indicate that. Schedule it now if you're mid-task. Make sure to leave the laptop awake and plugged in during large updates to avoid corruption, and if a download pauses, try pausing and resuming to clear transient network issues. After installation, confirm each app shows the new version and relaunch them to ensure settings and data loaded correctly. If the store or apps prompt for a restart, do it now. Reboots finalize file replacements. If an update fails, clear the store cache or temporary files and retry. Make sure you have requisite free storage and a stable network. As a quick troubleshooting tip, sign out and back into the store if problems persist, because authentication glitches often block download.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.